Hey friends, welcome back to my channel and thanks so much for watching. I am about to head out the door right now. I actually just finished filming this video. I am doing a hair, makeup, and outfit video really quickly with you guys, just kind of like what I do on a daily basis with makeup. My hair was already pretty done, but I will talk about how I do it in the video, and I'm also going to share my outfit with you guys. So this is just a fun little quick video. I hope you guys enjoy it. Please don't forget to go below and click the subscribe button if you are new here. I would love to have you join my YouTube family. I put up 3 videos a week in different lifestyle topics, mainly beauty and fashion, and I'd love to have you join the fam. Also, make sure that you are following me across all social media platforms. All right, I gotta get going, so let's go ahead and get started. All right, so I figured it would just be easier to do a voiceover because whenever I talk through a video, it is 45 minutes long. So I am using the Born This Way foundation. This is the foundation that I'm constantly reaching for in the summertime. It's just one of my favorites lately. Unless I have a formal event, a wedding, anything like that, I use the Estee Lauder Double Wear for those. But I am just... God, I am loving the Born This Way foundation. I have oily skin and it gives my skin still a really beautiful glow without looking like a big grease ball, if that makes any sense. But you get what I'm saying. It's a gorgeous foundation and it doesn't look cakey at all. So I go over it with a beauty blender after I have the foundation on, just to make sure that nothing's too cakey. That's the whole point here. No cakey look. And then I'm using actually this, I think it's the Maybelline concealer. I can't remember the name of it. There it is. Wrinkle eraser. So I forget how much I love this concealer until I have to pick it up. I went to get my other concealer. They didn't have it. And so I just picked this one up. I was like, sure, I've used this before. I freaking love this concealer. It's so creamy and doesn't give your eyes a wrinkly look. It doesn't come off. It stays all day. So really good concealer. And then we are moving on to the brows. Oh, the infamous brows. I have been getting so much hate on my brows because during quarantine, I had to grow them out because I couldn't get them done. And the number one thing people keep telling me is stop overlining them. And I'm like, you don't understand. I'm a redhead, so half my eyebrow hairs are brown, half of them are blonde. What I can see, I promise, I don't overline. But I'm having to basically relearn how to do my brows because I'm not used to them being so thick. I'm still struggling kind of getting that inner part of my eyebrows to look very natural. So we're still working on that. Don't judge me. But I do love this brow pomade. It is a drugstore brand. It's affordable. It's really creamy, but it stays all day. I don't have any issues with it coming off or being oily or anything like that. And it's really quick, at that. So just an FYI, if you're new here, this is actually my thick brows. They're naturally like this. I just haven't always had them like that. And also, if you have a bad opinion about them, just keep it to yourself because they're not your eyebrows. They're mine, and I like them, and we don't do hate here. But with that being said, still having to work on that inner part, growing pains, whatever. And I do have to go back in with concealer almost every time I use a pomade of any brand, anytime with my eyebrows. I highly recommend going back in with a concealer. So I just use that same concealer that I used on my face. And then once I'm done, I'll go back and set my entire face with the Airspun powder. It's a really good translucent powder. I believe I used the I can't remember if it's the double translucent or something. It's not just the regular translucent powder, but I'll link the exact one for you guys below. But it's really good. This is my second container of it, and I really like it. And like I said, I have oily skin. Then I go back in and I have been using a smaller brush on my cheeks because since I have been losing weight a little bit, I noticed that my cheeks are a little bit smaller, and so I don't need as big of a bronzer brush. So going in with a smaller Morphe brush, and I do try and match some of my neck to my face just to be sure because I did have a self tan on at this time. And then the eyebrows, just like always, I just use whatever bronzer colors I kind of whip together with the Morphe palette and put it on my eyes because it's just easiest to do that. And then what I've actually been loving lately is instead of doing no eyeliner at all or a liquid liner, I am taking a powder and I'm taking the thinnest brush I have and putting it on my top lids almost in the shape of where a liquid liner would go, and I use a brown color, so it has a little bit more of a natural look to it. I did go off camera and blend it after this because I didn't realize how harsh it looked, but it just gives your eyes like a naturally very open look to them versus like the harsh black eyeliner line that I've never really loved on myself. Then finally, I'm using my ever favorite Essence mascara. It is so good and so affordable. I have had Botox. I've talked about this in a different video, and it had actually just set in like the day before I did this. So I was like trying to raise my eyebrows and I couldn't. And I was like, crap, this is really hard. But we figured it out, you know. Got to get rid of the tension headaches one way or another, and Botox does it. So beggars can't be choosers. I can't raise my eyebrows to help me put on my mascara. So I'll just have to open my mouth a little bit wider. And then I put on my Kylie Cosmetics Candy K liquid lip, and I am good to go for my outfit. So I forgot to mention my hair. I did use my curling iron like a wand. I will link the exact curling iron for you guys below. Very simple. And for the outfit today, I chose, no surprise here, a neutral look. My all-time favorite denim shorts currently don't fit me because, like I said, I'm losing weight, but I don't want to go buy more shorts until I'm like, completely where I want to be fitness-wise. So I did end up finding them. I have them in an 8. I forgot, like I went down one size, but you actually need to size up 1 for these. So had a different pair of shorts, love them, paired them with this like cropped black tee from Walmart that's like $9. It's really comfortable. It does have a front little pocket. I have it in white, I have it in black. I also paired it with my Sam Edelman slides and then some really cute gold jewelry, some fun Amazon accessories like these earrings, that gold necklace I'm wearing, and these sunnies. And then that is it. The outfit is complete, and I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. All right, guys, so I've got to get out the door. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you did. Also, don't forget to go below and click the subscribe button if you are new here. I love you guys so much, and I hope that I see you in my next video.